Hi, Christine Toney here with Essentially Styled. Today I just wanted to show you a really quick, elegant ponytail using some different Lila Rose products. The main one I'm going to feature is our Swerve. This is one of the silver, it's got the flat finish here. There are different styles. There's a hammered look that we have, or a real simple one that can kind of disappear in your hair. I'm also going to be using a set of U-pins, a different U-pin with a bigger centerpiece, one of our acrylic U-pins, and one of our new jewel U-pins. So I just want to show you real quick this easy ponytail style that really looks very elegant and super comfortable. So I'm going to start with the Swerve. I'm going to set these down here. And I'm going to start with a low ponytail, and then I'm going to twist it. It's hard to describe it. It's almost like a reverse French twist with the tails out. So hang on and you will see how simple it is to do. So I'm going to start with a low ponytail. Okay, have that here, and then I'm going to twist. And you can twist down to, you can start to see that little bit of a roll. And I want to twist it kind of tightly. And then I'm going to bump it up a little bit so you can see the difference there. I'm going to bump it up. Then I take the Swerve with the curved side up. I'm going to grab that twist that I just created down at the base of it, go up, and I'm going to grab hair from the outside with those prongs, keep contact with my scalp, roll it over, kind of flip it over and slide it in. It is super easy. You see that? Super quick and very elegant. And you just have a little bit of that showiness with this. The other prongs, since it's curved to go along with the shape of your head, those prongs hide underneath your hair for the most part. Now we do have a small Swerve if you have real fine or baby fine or thin hair that may work. I have found that it doesn't work so well. It doesn't hold longer than just a couple minutes for mine. I need the bigger Swerve. So I'm going to show you using a couple other of our U-pins options. So now I'm going to show you using two U-pins, and these are the smaller. I use two if it has a smaller head. Let me show you the difference here. So we've got the U-pins. So for this one, I'm only going to use the one, and for the smaller ones, I'm going to use two. So I'll start with the two. So same thing again. I'm just going to twist and roll that hair, bump it up. Then I'm going to secure that twist. Same thing, the curve is up. Grab hair from the other side, slide it in. Now for some extra security with that, I'm going to grab more and do it a second time and slide that in. And that is super, super tight. So you can see it's a little bit of a different look, but those pins hide in your hair on the other side. And then you can even loosen that up if you need to. If you don't want the real tight look, you can pull those strands out to give it a different look. So that was with the two. Now I'm going to show you using our Posy. Those last ones were our Sapphire Joy, which I'm not even sure are available now. Those might be retired. They pop up every once in a while. But this is our Posy, which we do have in stock. And you get a set of two, but I'm just using one for this style. They're great for French twists and ponytails and all kinds of things, but this is a new one that I have just kind of fallen in love with. It's super easy. Again, I'm going to bump that up a little bit using just the one. I'm going to grab that hair, grab it from underneath and slide it in like so. Whoops, now that one, okay, that one got a little bit loose, so I need to try that one again. I'm going to try and tighten that up and twist it a little bit more and bump that up again. And depending on where you stick along that twist determines how tight it will be. And I think I just did not get that one tight enough. This one's much better. So there you go with just the Posy U-pin. Okay, then I'm going to try it with our acrylic U-pen. This is like the pearl one. It's called white, but it has a real pearly finish and look to it. Again, I'm going to twist, and you can twist whichever side you prefer. Bump, and you can see all the different looks you get with these. Slide that one in there. Now that one got, again, too loose. I want to go back, and I'm going to push it in, stick it in a little further back to get a better hold. And it kind of gives it a different look too. So I'm going to come back further. And this kind of needs some, kind of have to play around with a little bit. There you go. So if at first you don't succeed, keep trying. Play it with your initial pin placement if you find that it's not holding real well. Okay, and lastly, these are a new product that I love. They are our jeweled U-pins, and they have first 5 different designs and different finishes. And I really like this one's kind of like a pearlized, real light purple. Okay, and again, it's curved. Sorry if I didn't point that out. It's curved to go along with the shape of your head, so it has a real secure hold. So again, I'm going to twist and then bump. Okay, and I'm going to grab it, that twist, come alongside, and I want it to slide along my head, under my hair there, so that it holds and you don't see those pins. Super easy. Super fun, an elegant ponytail for something a little different. And again, you can kind of pull that hair out and loosen it up. You can pull some out in the front to make it more casual. Well, be sure and subscribe and hit the red bell if you want to see more of these tutorials featuring Lila Rose products. But again, Toney with Essentially Styled. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.